Well, hello and welcome to our Trucking Team Connect video for Friday, August 15th. Greg Handwork is with us today. Welcome, Greg.
Thanks, Rob.
Yeah. Hey, what brings you in today? What are you going to talk about?
First of all, Rob, here to talk a little bit about our in-cab technology and how that can help you out on the road. We know you have a full plate out there, so anything that we can do through in-cab technology to make your lives easier is our priority here at Bay & Bay. So we're going to start today to talk a little bit about some of the tools that are going to help you safely and efficiently get your job done in each and every day. And we're going to turn things over to Parker.
Good afternoon, this is Parker here. I'm going to go over adding shipments and trailers to your ELD for DOT compliance. The slides here are set to give you a step-by-step instruction on how to do it properly and efficiently, and you need to do this on every load that you are moving just to stay in that compliance. At the end, if you have any questions while doing this, feel free to reach me. My number is 651-346-2046, and I look forward to hearing from you and helping you through this process.
Well, thank you, Parker. And as Parker mentioned, if you have any questions or want any help with what he covered, feel free to give him a call. Thank you, Greg.
Thank you.
Anything else you want to close with here?
No, be safe out there. These videos are intended to help you out on the road, so please let us know if you have any feedback for us. We look forward to future videos.
Yeah, you bet. Thanks for joining us. Make your week nice, and we'll see you next time.